here. Hopefully both drivers. That was a heck of a double date. Looks like he brought his girlfriend out with him. They're both okay. They're stepping out. One round of applause. You guys put your hands together. Driving it like he stole it. That's the way he takes his girlfriend out on a date. How about you? Hey, honey, jump out. Push this thing back over. High five. Let's jump back in and do it again. All right, we have more tough trucks yet to come. We're gonna move into our open class. You'll notice our open class, these trucks are a little more purpose-built. A bunch of Rangers. You see Ricky Ramsey in that good-looking pink Toyota. Breast cancer awareness. And we got Tiny behind him in that good-looking Chevy extra cab. Just threw it back together, said I'm gonna come back out, throw it out a couple races. Finishing up in that Polaris Razor, great driving. Oh yeah, our first driver up. He's driving that 91 V6 powered Ford Ranger. This is Randy Smallwood. That is a good looking Ranger. He's got that V6 power plant all linked out. We talked about before, these Ford Rangers just a staple in all forms of off-road racing, from short course to desert racing. But right now, Smallwood getting it done in that good-looking Ford Ranger. You can hear that V6. Oh, flat and out. Let's hear it one more time. That was Randy Smallwood, our next driver up, one of our own WGAS employee. This is Ricky Ramsey. He's got that V8 powered Toyota. Sounds like it could be a Chevy motor, and my ear is pretty good. Oh, hopefully he just missed a shift there. Did he brake? Is it a drive line? Is Ricky gonna get back on course? His first time driving the truck. This is Debbie's truck. I hope she's not watching, or maybe she is. She's like, hey, what are you doing, Ricky? Ricky, one of the greatest guys ever. One of our worst workers. Just thought he would just step out for a few minutes. Jump into a tough truck. He had a great run last night, but looks like it's more than just a bumping out of gear there. Maybe a driveline issue. We'll see. Definitely lost all power. Yep, this song comes on. The WGS Wrecking Crew going out to drag one more off. Tough luck, man. That's a bummer to see Ricky go down so early, not even quite half a lap. So it sounds like we just got word from race ops. He broke his transfer case. Pretty gnarly set of whoops on that backside, but tough luck. This is Tough Trucks. What do you guys think about the action so far?
Boo!
Are you ready for some more open racers?
What's up, guys?
Let's have one more round of applause for Ricky Ramsey. Driving it like he borrowed it. Oh wait, he did. Great driving, Ricky. Transfer case out. That's an easy fix. But this is a song you don't want to hear halfway through a tough truck race. And we're gonna continue our trucks. Look at the lineup of tough trucks. This is our open class. Some of the baddest tough trucks anywhere around. Coming up next, our next driver. Let's hear it for Scott Miller, AKA Tiny. Tiny's got a little bit longer truck, that extra cabin. makes it a little tougher to rotate and do that 360 around the cone. He said, you know what, I'm going to nail it tonight. Let's see if Tiny can stay on the throttle. That's what got him last night. It's just such a long wheelbase.
I mean, literally everything.
Tiny's having a good time as he comes around, making his way down that last straightaway. Where's my Chevy fans out? Let's hear it. Scott Fowler. And our next driver up, he's got the 4-cylinder. Let's hear it for Matt Wright. That is a good-looking Toyota build. Look at that long travel, just sucking it up. He's got those bright LED lights. You'll notice this perfect rotation right there by Matt. That is the way it's done right here. This is going to be fast time. Coming across the finish line, that was Matt Wright. Oh, one last little doughy for words. He won. Let's hear it for Tim Manchester in that V8 powered Ford Ranger coming through the woods. He's one of the fastest guys here. Chevrolet hooked up. Once again, that's a 10-second deduction. Bummer to see Tim hit that one cone. That's going to take him off the back. And our next driver up. This is Larry McCormick. This Jeep Wrangler had some issues last night. Let's see if he can keep it together. Larry's been coming out here racing for us for a year, but he's got that Jeep hooked up. Great rotation. Can he dive into this last straightaway? I don't think he knocked it over. You got to knock it over. So Larry McCormick with a great time. Our next driver out, he hails from Oakdale. He's got that V8 power plant, that 94 Ford Ranger. Let's hear it for Daniel Bond. Another great looking build. You'll see it's not as high as some of the other ones. It's all about the droop of these Ford Rangers. You'll see him when he goes in the air, those rear links will drop. Good, but didn't knock the cone. Oh, a little inside. Didn't knock it. Hanging on to it, coming down that straight. You see he's got that GoPro going in the front.
He has a GoPro? He's
with
recording?
With a great finish, Daniel Bond, our next driver up. He went big last night. He's in that 91 Ford Ranger. Kyle Mosley. Another Ford Ranger build. You can see he's got the glass off the back. You can see all that custom fabrication. You see those huge, that linked out rear end we talked about. You can see the links on this thing. They're about 6 feet long. It's all about when you go off a jump, you see that rear wheel just drop to the ground. That is sagging. Great run for number 8. Our next driver up, 29 years of age. Another one of those Rangers, 1998 4-cylinder. Let's hear it for Stephen Mosley. Oh, and he is hooked up. It's all about this rotation. This kind of makes or breaks your tough truck run. It doesn't look like he has a locker in it, folks, so he's got that one tire spinning. Coming down the straightaways, the 4 LEDs. What a pretty smooth landing truck coming around. So our last driver of the night right here. He goes huge, folks. He's out of Modesto, California. Let's hear it for her, Usray, your local boy in Toxic Shock. This guy could drive. He's got that V8 power plant, that Ford Ranger, with a perfect rotation by Herc. This is going to be a fast run if he can stay away from that cone. Nice driving, Herc. Nice straightaway. What a great looking truck. Let's hear it for your final driver of the night. That was Herc. This thing in toxic shock. And Herc's going to throw us some gear. Okay, you guys, we still have our monster truck finale coming up. We have planned for keeps. So we got more trucks coming up. We're going to throw down some donuts, but right now, Herc out there in toxic shock. Who wants some t-shirts? Who wants a free helmet? It looks like